Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sell digital products on Weebly. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to your items section, then choose site items. Now it's time to add your product, so just go and create a new item. For the item type, change it and choose digital and confirm on changing it at the top right. Now, give a name for that product, then set a price for it. Now on the right side, you can go and upload an image for that. So just select one. Now if you scroll under the description, you can add what that product is about. Then make sure that your product is visible. After that, scroll down and now it's time to upload your digital product. So just go and choose the one you want. Then, you can also go and fill in other informations if needed. But once done, you now go and click Save at the top right. And there you have it. You now have a digital product on your Weebly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.